Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching from. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, guys, let me wish you a Merry Christmas. Hope you all are happy wherever you are. Yeah, and God's blessings upon you. Yeah, so in this simple video, guys, I just want to share with you a day, nothing much. Plus, I did a restock for the house. So, this was actually in the morning, started by making breakfast. And for breakfast, we were just going to have some sausages with some leftover buns. Yeah, so kindly stay tuned and don't forget to like this video. I washed the sausages because I really don't like cooking them kama sijaosha. So again, they had frozen, so I had to dip them in water for them to unfroze. Yeah, and we were having sausages with some tea made with milk. Yeah, so the tea is almost ready and the sausages are ready. Yeah. So, guys, our tea is ready, and we had tea with the sausages plus some leftover buns that we had bought the previous day. Yeah, so after this, I am going to go to the supermarket to get a few things that I needed for the house. Yes. of person that when I am going to the market or to the supermarket, I just prefer to write a list. That is number one, to avoid impulse buying, because again, if I see anything that maybe will benefit me or I like it, I'll just go ahead and buy, and that may just end up itaharibu budget yangu. So I try write a list of the things I need, then maybe after I've bought like everything that I want and I have some cash left, I can buy anything else. Yeah.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels.
Hey guys, so I'm back home and I want to do a quick haul for the things I bought. So in this red bag, I have some fruits. This is melon. Then I have some oranges. These ones went for the oranges were 50. Yeah, like these 5 are 50. So I assume one is 10. So I also got these mangoes that went for, these ones went for 20 bob. Yeah, these were 20 shillings. Yes, I also, here I have some potatoes. You guys imagine, this is 100 bob. Yeah, these went for 100 bob. The price has not gone down. Then I got these onions. These were 30, and these ones also 30. So I got 3, yeah, like this. So these were 90 bob, which is so affordable. This is so affordable. 30, yeah. So let me remove these things here first before we continue to the next step.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs.
I have this bag. Got some soda, Coca-Cola. I have here Sprite. Then I have Fanta Passion. Yeah, Fanta Passion. So then I got myself these. I really love Red Bull, so I bought this. So I also got serviettes. I just added. Then I have tissue, rosy tissue. Then I bought some milk just to restock, not that much. I only bought 5 packets, and these ones, one was 56. Yeah, this is fresher. One went for 56 shillings. So there are 5. Yeah, 5 packets. And you guys, the supermarket is so full, so full. So I bought these Ushindi lemon dishwashing liquid because the morning fresh I have is almost finished, so I restocked that one. Then I bought curry powder. Yeah, curry powder again. This is the best for me when it comes to chapatis. Yeah, the X all-purpose fortified flour. When it comes to chapati, this is my number 1. Then my number 2 for chapati is Ajab, but I didn't get Ajab since watu wamenunua Ajab kabisa, so I got this one. It went for 220. Then I also added some sugar. This is 2 kg. This was 300. Sugar is really expensive. Oh my goodness. This was 300, 2 kg. This is the Naivas local sugar. In the same bag, I also added these ones. Red, fresh, green, red and yellow capsicum. Yeah. The green one is 20, as you can see, 20 bob. And the other 2 are 38. So in Naivas, you buy these, they measure for you on the scale. So for these ones, they measure equally, but this one is measured separate. Yeah, so this is 20, these 2 are 68. Then I also bought some salt. The one I have is almost finished. Something else is this, the Snow White garlic. So this pack was 90. Yeah, the way there are 490, which is affordable. So I decided to buy this. Yeah. Then I got this hand wash, the Vivia hand wash creamy. I've used this before and it has a very nice smell, so that's why I got these ones. This one, it is a herbal crush. It has a very nice smell. This one went for 170. Yeah, this was 170. Then I've never used Magni multi-surface cleaner, this one. So there's this went for 200. Then there's the bigger one for 550. So it has a very nice smell. That's why I opted to take this one. Yeah, I will try it out and tell you guys, but it smells so good. I believe if you clean your house with this, the house will just be smelling really nice. Yeah, so that's why I picked this small one. Then I'll see if this is the cleaner I'll be using maybe for my floors. So that was 200 bob. Then I got this ballet baby soap. My girl uses ballet, so she only had one. I added this one. Lastly, I bought for her this Kinder Joy that she has not even seen. She really loves these things because of the toys inside, plus it's creamy chocolate. So this is usually 110. Our mini haul, just a restock. So I want to put these away, then I can get on to the next thing. I need to wipe my fridge. It's kind of messy. Yeah, that's it for our haul, guys.
I know the air I'm breathing a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
So guys, the fridge was not that, it was not dirty. I just like to wipe it before maybe I restock. Then another thing is that I usually wipe everything that I've bought from the supermarket. If I'm going to keep it in the fridge, I ensure everything is clean. Remember, these things are in the supermarket and you're not the only one who touched them, and they're food stuff, so it's just hygienic to wipe them before you keep them. And I mean, for the food stuff, yeah, you can't go and be wiping detergents and everything. Yeah, so that's what I was doing here. Then arrange everything back. Yeah, so it was just a minimal restock, not that much, because we are almost at the end of the month. Yes.
Already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
So I learned this hack of by soda carbonate from a fellow YouTuber. If your fridge has a bad odor, you can just put the by soda carbonate in an open. When it's open, yeah, when it's open, you put it inside your fridge, then the bad smell will just go away. It is as simple as that, and it has worked for me.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.
So lastly, I also washed the fruits and the red and yellow capsicum that I got from the supermarket. Then I also removed the onions from the net, the ones that they sell zikiwa zimefungwa nazo. Yeah, so guys, this was just a simple video, and if you've watched up to this point, I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I don't take your support for granted, and for you guys to support me on this vlogmas up to the end, I am so grateful. May God bless you. Yeah, and thank you so much guys, and let's meet on the next video. Goodbye.
I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.